so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't no. It's not ready. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the.
Hello friends, welcome back, or welcome if you are new to Cora's Cozy Castle. In today's video, I will be deep cleaning my oldest son Britton's bedroom and bathroom. He does a really good job keeping up with his room for the most part, but I like to come in once a month to just deep clean his space and collect all of the laundry. If you like videos like these, I would love for you to click the red subscribe button down below. It's totally free, and join my family here on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love.
So we are in the middle of renovating Britton's room right now, and over Christmas we put in 4 new pocket lights that are voice activated and will change colors. Jeff was also able to hang his TV and sound bar, which is what I'm cleaning right now, on the wall. You will notice that the walls definitely have some blemishes and scrapes and scratches to them. The next thing on our list is that we are going to be painting his room. We've already got the paint, we just need to set aside the time and just go ahead and do it, and then his room will be nice and complete.
Ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's no remedy, remedy, yeah. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drown in our fights and whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on waiting.
Here, I'm just kind of straightening out the bed and just fluffing the pillows. Britton had already washed the sheets and the bedding, so I did not need to clean those and change them in today's video. I also did not mess with his fan above because we just put a new one up and it did not have any dust on it because it's new. So that is why I did these items the way that I did in today's video.
Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling. It's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drown in our fights and whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
I just wanted to get on here for a minute and just say to all of the mamas out there who are watching today's video that I know that it can be hard. I know it can be hard to get up every day and have these little people rely on you. I know it's hard to feel like sometimes your world is so small. I want to remind you, you are the world. You are the world that these little ones revolve around. You are their nurture, their home, and their comfort. You are everything to them. And I hope even on your hard days, you know how special you are, especially to your little people. My granddaddy used to always tell me, everything in life is just temporary. And seeing my oldest son grow up and about to turn 13 next month, I know just how true it really is. It does go by so fast. So you are not alone, and if you need a friend, I'm always here. Please leave a comment down below. I would love to get to know you. I just want you to know that I hope today's video made anybody out there feel less lonely for the day, even if you are not a mama, because that is what I started this channel for. That is what my passion is about. That is what helped me get through a really hard season, was watching other people on YouTube, and I just really feel that that is my one motivation. And I also want you guys to feel like, you know, it's progress over perfection on this channel. I am not perfect. My house is not perfect. And I don't want to ever kind of, you know, make a video where that is my top priority, because it's not. So I want to encourage you, and I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch my videos. I would love for you to join me here and click that red subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you have a fabulous day. Much love always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble, lacking, everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.